Hi, hello everyone. This is Chakit from VAC Global Education. In this video, I am going to tell you about कौन से colleges हैं जिसमें project management मिलेगा आपको May 23 intake के लिए. So watch this video till the end so that you get the complete information. Also, I am going to give you tips on your SOP and the kind of profile what you need to have in order to apply for these programs so that you don't have to face the admission as well as the visa rejection. So watch this video till the end, and if you like this video then do share with your friends who are also planning to apply for project management for May 23 intake. So the first college in the list is Georgian at ILAC, which is available right at the downtown of Toronto. This is the place where you will find the maximum part-time jobs, and the entry requirement for this college is 6.5 in IELTS. You need to have less than 5 years of work experience, as well as your percentage should be more than 50%. Second in the list is George Brown College, which has the highest visa approval rate. The only thing is it takes too much time to get the offer letter, so I would highly recommend you to make your application as soon as possible so that you don't miss out on the intake. Third in the list is Vancouver Community College. This, being a community college, has maximum opportunities because it is located right in the heart of British Columbia. यहाँ पर आपके PR के चांसेस ऑटोमेटिकली बढ़ जाते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पर लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं. सारी IT कंपनीज या तो टोरंटो में है या वैंकूवर में है. थर्ड, आपको हेल्प करने के लिए I have put down a link in the description which will give you complete information. Also you can connect to our counselor through the WhatsApp link जो आपको सबसे पहले टॉप पर मिलेगा. Fourth in the list is Fleming College. It has a very wonderful project management course. Affordable fees, location टोरंटो के पास में है. Also it has flexible entry requirement. तो अगर आपके प्रोफाइल में गैप है then this is the college where you should apply without wasting any time. Fifth is Saskatchewan Polytechnic. अगर आपको एक remote area में कम फीस के साथ ज़्यादा गैप में एडमिशन चाहिए, this is the college where you should be applying. It has 2 campuses, Regina and Saskatchewan. बहुत ही flexible admission requirement है. अगर आपके पास गैप है या परसेंटेज भी अगर आपकी 50 या 50 के आसपास है, you would be eligible to get admission at Saskatchewan Polytechnic. It has higher visa success rate because of its location. So do not miss the chance of applying at Saskatchewan Polytechnic. If you need help, all you need to do is click on the link in the description and you would be able to connect to our counselors for the application process. Sixth is the university option which you have right now, which is University of Winnipeg. University के जो visa rejection है, that is the lowest. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक तो 2 साल के options होते हैं, फीस थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा होती है, but at the same time the exposure what you get at university is commendable. आपको क्या करना है? आपको सिर्फ काउंसलर से बात करनी है to check if you would be able to get the admission at the university level. यहाँ पर अगर आपका गैप ज़्यादा है तो कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आपके वीजा के चांसेस बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाएंगे अगर आप एक यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन लेते हैं. यूनिवर्सिटी से मुझे याद आया, एल्गोमा यूनिवर्सिटी इज नॉट ओपन येट फॉर May 23 इनटेक विच विल बी ओपनिंग सून. और उसके लिए भी आपको सेम ही इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं कि आप जो दिए गए लिंक में डिस्क्रिप्शन में जो लिंक है उस पर अगर आप क्लिक करेंगे तो आप हमारे काउंसलर के साथ कनेक्टेड रहेंगे, जिससे कि जैसे ही एल्गोमा यूनिवर्सिटी ओपन होगा वी वुड बी एबल टू नोटिफाई यू कि यहाँ पर भी आप अपनी एप्लीकेशन प्लेस कर सकते. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट इज द जॉर्जियन कॉलेज एट बेरी कैंपस. दिस कैंपस इज क्वाइट फेमस इन कैनेडा बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स लोकेशन बीइंग नियर टू टोरंटो and has a good reputation as well as the visa success rate. So this is one college which you should not miss if you have like 2 to 3 years of work experience. अब मैं बात करता हूँ bonus tip की. So bonus tip which I want to give to all people who are planning to apply for project management course कि अगर आप अभी fresh graduate हैं तो प्लीज आप प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट के लिए नहीं अप्लाई करिए. प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट के लिए वो लोग अप्लाई करें जिनको 3 से 5 साल का वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है. That's how you would be able to understand this course better. You would be knowing what are the different departments which are available in a company, how you need to coordinate between those departments, what are the challenges which you face, and how this project management course is going to help you solve those challenges. And these these are the exact thing what you need to write in your SOP so that you are able to make sure कि visa officer ये समझता हो कि आपका reason क्या है इस course को करने का. So please do not make the mistake of applying to a project management course directly right after your graduation. I have seen this from my own personal experience कि बहुत सारे बच्चे जो हमारे से counseling देने आते हैं rejection के बाद उन्होंने straight after graduation project management में admission लिया होता है and they end up facing the rejection, which I don't want you to face. I don't want any of my subscriber to face rejection. So that's why I'm telling you कि आपके पास अगर एटलीस्ट 1 से 1.5 साल का भी एक्सपीरियंस है तभी आप प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट कोर्स में अप्लाई करिए. अदरवाइज there are lots and lots of technical or non-technical management courses which are available for you, which you can learn and study and get your PR in Canada as soon as you'll complete your course after getting a job. So if you are looking for such expert counseling, if you are looking for a hand holding in your profile where the counselor is going to give you all the resources which are required for you to make a better decision on your admission as well as your visa filing, then all you need to do is there is a link in the description which you need to click. This will take you to our WhatsApp. The WhatsApp will ask you your name, email address, which intake you want to go, if you have taken the IELTS or not, and the counselor will be assigned to you. That counselor will give you the profile shortlisting, will take the documents from you and give you the precise shortlisting of all the colleges and courses you are eligible for, and we will help you make the application to the college. We will help you with your visa filing, we'll help you with booking your medical, writing your SOP. So each and everything what is required in order to make sure that you reach Canada, we are going to help you out with that. So without wasting any time, if you have liked this video, then hit the like button, subscribe to VAC if you have not. If you have any question, write it in the comment section and subscribe to VAC. Thank you for watching this video and we shall see you in our next video. Till then, you guys take care of yourself. Bye bye.